guys, welcome to La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one stop for everything makeup and skincare. So I hope you guys are doing well. And today's video is going to be about a makeup hack which I used to do back in the days when I was in college. I'm going to show you how you can do your entire face of makeup using only 3 products. Yes, that's right, just 3 products, and trust me, it works really well. Okay, so yeah, I think with that we can jump right into it, and you guys can also let me know what are your 3 favorite products for your makeup, your everyday makeup. Let me know in the comment section below, and with that, let's start. Alright, so before I begin, let me quickly tell you guys what products I'm going to be using. So you're going to need a foundation, you're going to need a lipstick, and an eyeliner. Trust me, that's it. I'm gonna show you how. But before I start, I'm gonna prep my skin because I never skip on skin prep. And for that, I'm using the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. And all you need are just 4 drops of this. And that's it. I'm just gonna tap that into my skin. I love how lightweight this is. Just gets absorbed really fast into your skin. And very, very hydrating. It gives you a very nice smooth texture, so that's actually good because your makeup glides on a lot better. Okay, so that's it. And now we move on to the foundation. So I have the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation with me, and I'm gonna take like a drop of this on my hand. Using my Damn Beauty blender, I'm gonna just start applying that on my face. Now I'm in the shade 106, so it matches me perfectly. As you can see, it just blends beautifully on the skin. I love the finish of it. It's matte, so it's sweat proof, it's long lasting, it's also transfer proof, just like perfect for humid climate. And that's it. It gives a very nice natural finish. It's not like sitting on your skin, so it doesn't look ashy as well. Okay, so if you are planning to buy a foundation shade online, then I think it's important that you know your undertone. And so basically you have like 3 undertones. You have cooler undertone, warmer undertone, and a neutral undertone. And the best and the easiest way to actually find out your undertone is to check your veins on your wrist. So if you have like green veins, you can only see green veins, then you are a warmer undertone. And if you can see like purple veins, purple pinkish veins, then you are cooler undertone. And if you can't really tell and you can see both of them, then you are a neutral undertone, which is what I am. So I'm a neutral undertone, and that's one way to actually shop for foundation online. And in case if you can still not tell, then you can go for like stores. You can go to stores and you can get it on your face, check it in natural lighting, how it looks and everything, and then shop for it. Okay, so now I'm done with my base. I am gonna go in with my eyes now. So I'm gonna use the L'Oréal Paris Gel Intenza eyeliner. Now this is a gel eyeliner, so I'm gonna be a little careful with this because it's super pigmented, very, very creamy. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a very thin line. And the reason you really need like a gel pot in your makeup kit is because you can do so many things with that. You can wear it as your everyday liner and as your kajal. You can also create dramatic looks out of it. So the eyeliner actually glides very easily. It's easy to blend, and you just have to be like quick with this because once it dries, it does not move. So it's smudge proof like that. So you need to be very, very quick when you're doing like smudged looks with this. I'm just gonna go in again and just intensify it. So again, I'm just gonna create a very thin line close to my lash line. And again, going in with my fluffy brush, I'm gonna start blending that. Okay, so I've matched both my eyes perfectly, and that's it. We're kind of done with the eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna show you guys a hack. So I'm gonna use the same gel liner, and I'm gonna dip my spoolie into it very lightly. You have to be very careful when you're doing this. And I'm gonna use this as my eyebrow filler. So just brush it upwards. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, so with that we're done with the brows, and now I'm going to show you another hack with the same liner. So again, I'm going to use my spoolie with this. Take off the excess and I'm going to use it as my mascara. Now, because this is a transfer proof and smudge proof liner, this is one of the ways you can actually use it. Like, it's a hack, because once it's set, it's not going to move or it's not going to smudge. Just make sure you don't like touch your eyes like till a minute after you've done it, so that it can dry and you don't get panda eyes. And that's it. We're done with the eye look, you guys, and this one product is literally it. Like, I just did my entire eye makeup, my brows, my mascara, my eyeshadow using just the liner, and that's the hack I was talking about. Alright, so now with that we move on to our third and final product for today, which is a lipstick. And for that I have the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now, the shade that I'm going for today is 121 I Choose. It's a very nice pastel, like a nude pink color actually. So it goes really well with the look that I've created today. Also, as a hack, I'm going to be using it as my blush. I mean, I'm sure you guys saw that coming. So I'm going to take a little bit on my hand first, because it's really pigmented. So I do not want to apply that directly on my cheeks. So I'm just going to dab a little on my finger like that. And start applying that on the apples of your cheeks. So now it's a long-lasting lipstick, so the tint on your cheeks is going to last throughout the day. Just make sure you don't overdo it. You have to be very careful with this. Because again, even this lipstick is smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and you know, like once it's set, it's just set. It cannot move. So I guess that's it. And now I'm going to use the same lipstick as my lipstick. Okay, so the lipstick is slightly darker for the eyes. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it, so I get like a very nice soft tint of pink on my lips. And that's it. I love how lightweight, how easy to use these lipsticks are. There are so many shades that you guys can choose from. You have like reds, they have maroons, they've got oranges and nudes and pinks and so many shades. So do check them out. And with that, this is it. You guys can shop for all these products. The links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. And with that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the notification bell, which is right next to it, so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!